welcome to Castle Bronze Media, where we showcase happening inside Benin City and also photography and video coverage of events. So at this moment we are at Sapele Road. We are here for the September update to give you updates on this road construction. Come with me as we check out this one. The last time we were here in the month of July, found out that this part of the road was open while this other lane here was blocked. That's because of the construction work that was going on. So they literally blocked the side of the road so they could walk. So right now we found out that they are already progress reports in this road. Like you can see, this other side is already open. They are using it. It's motorable and functioning properly while they are working in this lane. Okay, the last time we were here, we'll find out that this other side of the road was under construction. They were working in this other side too. They were constructing the drainage system, that's the gutter. If you look closely, you observe that they've already been able to pour concrete in this part. They've been working here, so they pour concrete in this part, and we are looking out for the next layer. Looking closely, you observe that there is an heavy machinery here laying the iron rods for the next layer. That's, you can see the rod. So the road is like coming together already. You can see that there's progress in this particular road. Like they are working so fast, and it's a beautiful thing that this road construction is not going to take so long. So more like they are done with the first phase of this work. So probably after this layering, I don't know how they do it, but they will do like the last layer of this road before the road will be open. Due to the construction of this road now, we get to see traffic in this particular road. That's because they are using just one lane, and this is one major road that people in this environment is like, it's Benin Sapele Road is more like one major road in Benin City. And I think that's one of the reasons why the government came to inspect this work and asked the contractors to speed up this work. So hopefully this road will be completed soon. I get to see this truck. They have to use this particular road, and it's causing serious traffic. Like they've been here for a while now, and very slow. Due to the construction of this road, this sapele road, we get to see blockage of connected road. Like this particular road now, it's blocked due to the this construction going on. Because I mean, this side of the road, this particular lane is blocked, so there's no way vehicles can pass through this particular road. Respond and speed up this work, because this I mean this road is one major and it's affecting the motorists in this area. Like there's traffic everywhere, so when they get to finish up this work and the road is open, so there will be no traffic in this area. That is the Winners Chapel Living Faith Church. It's a huge project, and it's a beautiful thing that we're experiencing this in Edo State. Like the sapele is a major road in Benin, so getting to see a construction work going on here, it's a very nice thing. The go and just sapele road, just like the other side of the road, is so deep, like it's deep and wide, and you get to see that they already covering some part of the gutter. Most businesses in this area they block due to this construction, because people don't get to access it easily. Like I said before, this road is a very long road. You can see that they are still working. This is like their part that they are using to work. Here is the Christ Victory Bible Church. Even the entrance to the church, like the front of the church is blocked. Like, I mean, it's part of the road. Here is the Okabe Junction, and you can see that this road has been blocked from motorists. You get to see people using their legs and some businesses still running there. And also, we get to see that they have been able to channel the gutter and this particular road to this main road here. The road is going to be a very solid road. Like, I mean, look at this side of the road now. This what here is going to look like when they are done. Like, very solid shape here. It's going to be very solid. And you see how the cars are moving smoothly in this lane. You can see how fast they are now. Like, new slab have constructed this gutter. Look at this particular one. It's more like they did it today. It's like fresh. It has not like dry. Like, look at this other side also. Here is more like another connected street to this sapele road, and you can see they've blocked it also due to the construction. You can see that in this section of the road now, new slabs are being installed. Like, look at their workers here. The workers, they are still working here now. Here is the PZ junction. You get to see that this section of the road is blocked, more like they are not done with this particular side. You get to see that from this lane now that is open, they get to divert through here. That's because of the roadblock in this PZ junction. You can see that this section of the road now is more like the house done with it, or it's not open yet. And you can see that this other side has opened. You get to see that the motorists also, they are still experiencing traffic here. That's due to the construction. So probably when they are done, the road is going to be free. Thanks for coming with us. So if you like this kind of content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the September update, so we'll be coming back to give you more updates on this road construction. I'll be doing other videos like this. Thank you.